The JR products in action.
Oh yeah, it's more of an action film. So what is he guided by right now?
So right now, Santiago Perez, he's one of the big guns here on Team JR. He is flying the JR Elite. That's the replacement and update to 28X. And I believe he's also got their 16-channel audio even set up in this 40% class airplane. So one other thing as well too, this one is obviously guided by the JR Elite and the 16-channel odd even setup and the brand new JR FOC servos. I'm not smart enough to tell you what that stands for, but if you sing by the booth up there, we'll tell you all about it.
Oh yeah. So what are some of the other things that JR offers, some other radios or anything like that?
They've got a full assortment of products, so yeah, they've got, entry-level transmitters. They obviously have high-end, world-class, championship-winning transmitters as well. I believe you'll see it in a lot of the other vendors in their slots. I mean, if you need to trust something worldwide with high-end models, look at JR first.
All right, I like that. Nice little slow roll. Beautiful. I think we'll do the slow roll contest maybe tomorrow. We gotta get the pilots warmed up today, but we are definitely gonna have a slow roll contest. Yeah, we're just warm up. Put your hands together if you like to see Santiago Perez on the top. Oh yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this isn't golf. We can get a little loud up here. We really can. Okay? So if you like what you see, definitely put your hands together. And us pilots were very easily peer pressured. So if we get louder, we do sometimes we go lower. Starting up next to him, real people there.
That turbine, but it's ripping. Oh yeah, good stuff right there.
Oh, drag race.
Yeah, pretty good. Neal on the jet also filled out top to bottom, inside out with JR as well. I'm not sure he's using the stabilization, but I know it is guided by the JR Elite as well as the JR odd even setup. I believe it's an XBUS setup as well, so it's doing great there. Oh yeah, double slow roll, we like it. Yeah, she counted double. Did that count? Okay. Look at that, in sync. The sun, yeah, I would not do that. That's also why we're flying mics.
Yeah, that's cool. We are flying mics today, thanks. We'll let the professionals handle that. They can. Oh my goodness. It's all part of the show. Yeah? Let them know you like to see that. Yeah. Look at this. Wow.
Unbelievable. Perfectly normal day at Triple T Aerodrome on Wednesday in July. It's a normal day. Normal day with Joe Nall. Two very different landing ethos, I think. They both have their both opinions about what a landing is, but nonetheless, JR PROPO and eSports Aviation, let's give it up for thank you, Tim. Neal Capolore, Santiago Perez, team manager, Plane Tandem.